We know how difficult it is to manage your APQP and engineering change management process. You have to continuously look after your R&D and engineering department. You also have to make sure that the entire communication and workflow process is in order so that all your newly launched projects can be completed within due time. Luckily for you, we at Property Technologies bring you a software which helps you to easily adopt IT-enabled NPD, APQP and engineering change management methods and evolve with your business strategies. Velo, the software which helps manufacturers to reach new industry-leading levels of business performance. Through Velo, Property Technologies has envisioned a way through which it can drive APQP, that is, Advanced Product Quality Planning Standards. Whenever a company adopts a new product development project, or if it's trying to bring about an engineering change in their product, Velo helps them by identifying the possible risks along with their countermeasures. This software also helps to calculate the estimated time for the completion of any project, which ultimately also helps them to calculate their estimate budget as well. Velo also helps to make necessary plans for the completion of any dependent activity of the project, that is, an activity which is lagging behind in schedule due to the delay of its preceding activity completion. There are many cross-functional team members involved in APQP and engineering change management who uses PPAP, that is, Production Part Approval Process, TFMEA, PFMEA, irrespective of the projects being big or small, and Velo stores the necessary project-related information and bridges the communication gap among the team members. This web-enabled tool helps you to assess data and reports from anywhere. We understand that huge knowledge is generated during new product development, and while implementing engineering changes in products, Velo also helps in creating digital knowledge repository for your organization. This knowledge can be used for future innovations in organization. This knowledge is available on a single click of a button. So, what are you waiting for? Get Velo software and take first step towards success of your business. Property Technologies, your partner to build and uphold digital enterprise.